Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to install and update drivers on your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. If you have recently installed Windows, let's download the most important drivers, which can be found in the Windows Update section. Open the Start menu and open Settings. In Settings, go to Windows Update on the sidebar. Click Check for updates and download all the required updates for your device. One important thing is opening Advanced Options, going to Optional Updates, finding the Driver Update section, selecting all drivers we have here, and downloading them, as these are specifically meant for our laptop. Select everything we have here, click Download and Install, and wait until the drivers are downloaded and installed. Once all updates have either completed or are pending restart, click Restart Now to apply changes and wait until your device restarts. Now that the most important updates are installed, we need to search for Lenovo-specific updates. The easiest way is by opening the Lenovo Vantage app. It should be pre-installed, but if you don't have it, go to Microsoft Store, search for Lenovo Vantage, and download the program. Once downloaded, click Open, wait for it to launch, then click OK and let the program start. Uncheck any checkboxes you don't need, accept the privacy statement, then click Agree and Continue. Close the introduction and click Check for updates. This will find all available driver updates for our laptop. Wait until the scan is completed and we are presented with the list of updates we are lacking. As you can see, we have BIOS Updates utility, which we can install. Select it, hit the checkbox, then click Install Now. Wait until the update is downloaded and installed. This particular one will require a restart, so click Restart Now and wait until the device restarts and the BIOS update is finished. If you want to update or install a specific driver, you can go to the Lenovo support website. Open it, then go to the PC category. You can either let the website detect your product automatically or find your laptop manually by selecting Browse Product and then Laptops. First, select the series, which in our case is Yoga Slim. then the subseries. To get your full model name, check the back cover of your laptop where you'll find your model and model code. For me, this is YogaSlim 714 AKP10. Select Drivers and Software, then Drivers. Find the driver you want to install and click Download next to it. Wait until it's downloaded, open the file, click Yes, select your language, accept the agreement, click Next, and click Install to install the driver on your Lenovo Yoga. As you can see, the driver is installed successfully. To make sure the changes were applied, restart your laptop. That's it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.